Bertolli's Cacio e Pepe Pasta Sauce review.
Good morning everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In this video, quick review of Bertolli's Cacio e Pepe Pasta Sauce. Now this sauce is made in Italy. It's one of the most popular pasta sauces, Cacio e Pepe. Let's see how good it is. And as always, we're gonna use Rao's spaghetti.
Bertolli's Cacio e Pepe Pasta Sauce review.
Alright guys, enough playing around. Let's test this Cacio e Pepe pasta sauce. I added extra pepper to it because I love extra pepper, so it's hot outside. I'm gonna try to make this quick. Here we go guys, first bite, Cacio e Pepe. It's pretty good. I found this sauce at Walmart, out of all places. The price was right, so I decided to buy it. It's pretty good sauce. Here comes another one. All right, I'm ready. Scale 1 to 5. This sauce is 3.75. Good sauce, great price. Walmart sells it, Bertolli. This is a great sauce to try to see if you're into sauces like this. It's a very simple sauce, cheese and pepper. Try it, test it out, see if you like it. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for stopping by Parks and Pizza. See you in the next video.